So, ito yung trade kagabi sa Asia session. So, meron tayo demand zone dito sa lower time frame, which is dyan yung point of interest ko for buying. Kumbaga, hintay na tayo rejection dyan, then mag-wait tayo magkaroon ng B-shape for another confluence na buying entry, no? So, nung nag-reject to, enter ako dito sa candle na to, next candle, targeting yung Asia high. At the same time, that's a golden zone sa fair value natin. Ayun yung trade natin kagabi. That is 1:4 RR.